Turning now to HealthWatch. Turns out there are more than 2 types of diabetes.
Local 5's Connie Feldman looks at how the confusion over other forms of the disease can often lead to misdiagnosis.
You've heard of type 1 and type 2, but did you know there are other types of diabetes? Researchers are looking at these unusual forms of the disease in a nationwide trial, hoping to find new treatments. 16-year-old Raquel Gabel doesn't let anything slow her down, doing all this while losing her eyesight.
I can tell there's a wall there, but if I was just sitting here and didn't know anyone was in the room, I wouldn't be able to tell you guys or tell you you're sitting there.
Diagnosed as a 5-year-old with Wolfram syndrome, Raquel, with her mom by her side, has joined clinical trial after clinical trial in hopes of finding a way to stop this disease.
As a parent, you're sitting there going, what do you do with your child who can't see and can't hear?
Wolfram syndrome is often misdiagnosed as type 1 diabetes in children. Children experience the same blood sugar problems, but unlike type 1 diabetes,
most cases are caused by a change in a single gene.
Now there is a new nationwide clinical trial, Radiant, which is enrolling thousands of people who fall on the diabetes spectrum. Researchers hope to build a comprehensive database of genetic and clinical data, allowing doctors across the world to more easily identify atypical forms of diabetes and identify new genes associated with rare forms of the disease.
We may be able to design a personalized treatment for each patient with diabetes.
The ultimate goal, improve and save the lives of people like Raquel, living with an unusual form of diabetes.
I believe soon that I will be able to see again. There will be a cure.
Right now, there's no cure for Wolfram syndrome, just medications to treat the symptoms. And most patients die by the age of 40 unless their medical condition is managed very well, which is why the Radiant trial is so important. And that's your Health Watch. I'm Connie Feldman, Local 5 News.